Hi everyone, this is part 2 of the BirdX gel bird. Hi everyone, this is part 2 of the BirdX bird repellent. Hi everyone, this is part 2 of the BirdX bird repellent video. Wanted to give you guys an update. It's been 2 days since I applied this to my balcony where I was having a severe pigeon invasion. The two things I didn't mention in the video before is, in case you were curious, this is a product, it's petroleum based, not toxic, and it is safe for other pets that you might have in the house, and it's not harmful to the pigeons as well, in case you wanted to know that. After 2 days, I would say that I definitely recommend this product. I'd give it a 10 out of 10. It was effective. I have not seen one bird on this balcony. I have seen one try to touch down here, and as soon as it felt the gel on its feet, it came back up and was gone. So I mean, I couldn't ask for more. It's affordable, easy to use. And I am not getting paid by BirdX. I wish I was, but not there yet. Unless BirdX, if you want to reach out to me, you're welcome to. But highly recommend to any of you that has the same problem as me with the pigeons or any type of bird. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please subscribe and stay tuned for more. Thank you.